Looking to build a budget PC that still delivers solid performance for office work, multimedia, and light gaming? Then definitely stick around till the end, because today I'm showing you a full setup that's built exactly for that. Compact, efficient, and affordable. Let's start with the graphics, specifically the Radeon Vega 3 integrated directly into the CPU. Sure, this isn't a high-end graphics card, but that's the whole point of this build. Maximum efficiency at the lowest cost. For light games like Minecraft, League of Legends, or just watching YouTube and Netflix, this GPU is more than enough. Compared to entry-level cards like the GT 1030, you get a major benefit here. No added cost, and no extra power consumption. And if you want to upgrade later on, you can always add a dedicated GPU. You'll find links to compatible cards in the video description. The Athlon 3000G is the heart of our setup. With 2 cores, 4 threads, and super low power consumption, it's perfect for basic office tasks, web browsing, or light gaming. What I especially like, it includes built-in graphics, so you don't even need a separate graphics card to get started. For the price, you're getting great value. If you're enjoying this content, go ahead and hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the next video. And dropping a like really helps the channel. This motherboard is small but mighty. Despite its budget price, it gives you all the ports and features you need for this build. 2 RAM slots, stable power delivery, and even built-in gigabit LAN. It's the perfect match for the Athlon processor and gives you room to upgrade later to a Ryzen if needed. All in a compact micro ATX form factor, ideal for smaller cases. RAM is like your PC's short-term memory, and with 8 gigs, you've got enough for everyday tasks. Whether it's Word, YouTube, or multiple browser tabs, everything runs smoothly. This SSD boots your system in seconds. It's significantly faster than a traditional hard drive, and with nearly 500 gigs of space, you've got plenty of room for Windows, apps, and a few games. A good cooler keeps your system stable, and this one does it quietly and with style. The 120mm fan keeps your processor nice and cool, even under load. Plus, you get that sleek ARGB lighting for extra flair. This power supply reliably feeds power to your setup, quietly, stably, and with no unnecessary features. It's perfect for a system without a dedicated GPU, but leaves room to upgrade in the future. Compact, stylish, and well ventilated. This case gives you everything you need. Plenty of space for components, easy to build in, and excellent airflow thanks to that mesh front panel. And that's our complete PC build for beginners or anyone on a budget. You'll find all the components listed as always in the video description. Definitely check that out. If you like the video, leave a like, comment what you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next build.